So the things that are included in the package from RCI is the hardware to install the lower control arm skids, your directions, and of course both lower control arms, and if you're lucky enough, a RCI sticker, which I already do have one of, but the more the merrier. So let's see what it takes to get these things installed. So for installing these lower control arm skids, you are given 3 bolts. So you have these different sizes. So the skinniest and shortest of them all does go on the more outboard side of the lower control arm skid, and then the longest of the bolts does go here towards the rear because it goes through a thicker portion of the lower control arm, and then the shorter one of these larger bolts does go towards the front. Of course, you do have lock washers and flat washers that do hold it on this side. So we are going to go ahead and put this on the lower control arm. So here's the finished product of the powder-coated steel lower control arm skids from RCI. Super easy install. Just these 3 bolts, as I said. I apologize for the flashlight usage. My regular shop lamp that I use right here, the bulbs just died out of right before I was starting to record this video, but that's okay. So these are steel, as I said, and they will afford a whole lot more extra protection for these lower control arms here on the Tacoma. Better than not having any protection at all, and honestly they were getting pretty chewed up. If you did check out that one video where I was showing how to repair trail damage, I was focusing mainly here on the lower control arms, as they are one of the lower portion of the body and frame of the truck, especially when you are going off-road, having rocks and whatnot. And as you can see from my skid plate, also from RCI, it is pretty chewed up under here. But that's okay, that's what it's for, and it's meant to protect the truck. So these skid plates can be used with your stock skid plate that come on your Tacoma, but you do have to modify it some. I'm not exactly sure of what the exact procedure is for that. I imagine it just has to do with a little bit of cutting. I imagine it also kind of juts out just a little bit further than, say, the very streamlined RCI skid plates here. But this is my first steel product from RCI. Fit and finish, ease of install and everything is a full 10 out of 10. Super easy to take care of, wasn't difficult at all. So I hope you all did enjoy the video. We love installing things on our trucks and putting them to the test. Again, I will be putting these to the test here within the coming weeks. We are going to be hitting up Flagpole more than likely. That's going to be happening towards probably around August 12th timeframe. Nothing set in stone, but we will keep you guys up to date on that. So I'm glad to have some extra protection there underneath of the Tacoma. So let me know if I should get any more stuff from RCI. They do have a full suite of underbody protection, from a full fuel tank skid, a rear differential skid. I can also get a more beefy transfer case skid and things like that. So let me know what you guys think. What should be next for our trucks as far as protection or just modifications in general. So if you guys did enjoy this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up, subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. We do have content that comes out every week. Full range of different things that we do get into that we definitely enjoy, especially with these trucks. During the summertime, it's great to be able to do this because the weather's real nice and it's not as difficult as, say, in the winter time. So thank you all very much for watching. Have a fantastic week, everybody, and I'll catch you next time.